All right. I hear Toda saying earlier that he would love, and personally, I would love to see an all-motor shootout. There's Kenty as well. There's yourself, O'Near, Toda, who are actively racing now in that 9-second, 10-second bracket. I know Toda never make a call out still, but who do you think would come out on top if those 4 cars were to have a shootout, best of the best, you know?
I think the V6 will be at the back.
The V6 will be at the back?
Yeah.
Wow.
They have all the good stuff.
What going, sir?
Not much.
Yeah, man. Big up. Boy.
Big up.
What, yo, the man them have question already. The man them they easy, yo. Yo, hold on, peeps. Make we just do a little introduction with Bally first, no, man. Yo, Bally, I must say, big up on your achievement, your recent achievement. Taking your car. I hear you refer to it as the wheel because of how heavy it is as a the chassis is heavy, right? What's your personal best again?
Personal best is 10.6.
10.6. All right.
At 128 miles per hour.
128.
That's correct.
How much power you making, Bally? If you don't mind.
Well, at that time I was making at 380 horsepower.
380.
That's correct.
Wow. Cool. All right. We're going to backtrack a bit.
And that is on M5, strictly M5, no Nitromethane.
We're not ready to touch that yet, you know, because we know so the man in the comment wait for ask, you know. We so touch that. Tell us, Bally, who is Bally? Who is Mr. Roel Barnett, for those who don't know?
Alright, Mr. Roel Barnett is a simple, humble guy who likes to play with cars. My career started in 2005 with a Nissan Sunny B14.
Mm-hmm.
SR18 at the time. Entered in the meet in the RC, the 27th of February, and won the 16-second class. First time at the track, first time out racing, and first trophy.
First time. What was the setup of your Nissan?
It was a regular B14 Sunny with a SR18 engine and a cable box at the time.
All right, cool. So let me ask, because we don't have anything scripted. So as the questions come, I'm going to ask. What year you chose? Okay. Honda versus Nissan as a platform. Why is it that you chose to go Honda?
Alright, so after winning the 16-second class, feeling that the Nissan is the fastest thing on earth. going back to UTEC, I buck up a DC2 GSR.
Yeah.
And you know that me I say, yo, I just win 16 seconds, so this car can't.
Machine.
Of course, when that VTEC came on, I was smelling his exhaust. I think I want to mess with the Honda platform.
Seen.
But before that, I did pretty well with the Nissan, because to date, I've never seen another SR20 run like 13.6 all motor.
Mm-hmm.
SR20, I don't mean a VTVL.
Right.
SR20
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right. And that same Nissan, we went turbocharged with it. And during that period, I lost about 17 engine. Right. Not the fault of the builder, but the fault of the driver. The engine is built, they say the car needs to be tuned, but as soon as I leave the garage, I know, but no one could hear the car. Ignore it.
No for we guilty of that, you know. No for we guilty of that.
So, and that time I was partnered with Brown Speed Engineering, Andrew Brown, and a guy named Vaughn. They're the one who actually bring me in racing, teach me a lot of things about engine building, wiring of cars, stuff like that. And during that time, there was no Nissan in Montego Bay engines that was as crazy as that one.
Seen.
Right. I think with the turbocharged engine at that time, 2005, we were running like 12.8, which back then 12.8 was a really fast car.
Yeah, man. And when they say back then, what year we're talking about?
2005, 2006.
Yeah? 12.8. A machine them time, no, man.
Yeah, man, it was crazy machine, man.
Because, alright, 2005, 2006 sound like the era when Jan and Simtek had their blue Nissan, Atessa.
And
Seymour as well.
Yeah.
I think there was one from Spatek. There was a silver one from Spatek as well.
Okay.
Spatek they had an Atessa as well. Yeah, man. So if you know, say, from them time there, the man them wave the Nissan flag, you know what I mean? And I do some things.
Right.
But what year now you switch from, you made that decision to switch from Nissan to Honda?
So I think it was 2007 when I blew the last SR20 that was available to me. A breaking I used to power with then, Crossgill, Burgundy, was like, say, your Bally is trying to cross over to the Honda. Right, and one of the classmates at the time was said, Bally, you're the only one to drive Nissan, so when you say Honda.
You come like a peer pressure, so Bally.
Yeah, man, peer pressure, man. We have a party, everybody said, please party Nissan. You know, roll with it, don't drive the Nissan. Nobody can ask that. Because that thing was just loud and nothing, and it never tuned when it hide everything black, everybody smell like that. Yeah.
See.
Start over and we got 223 Civic. Brethren Dane Patterson and Jason Patterson and with myself.
Mm-hmm.
Found the car in Japan and we bought it and bring it in.
Mm-hmm.
And from this the war started with everybody.
Zed.
That time we used to have Vibes Racing.
Mm-hmm.
Right, they were big players in the game then.
You were part of Vibes Racing?
No.
Okay.
I've always been Brown Speed Engineer.
Okay. But BSc, that's BSc, right?
Yeah, BSc. Speed Engineering. You're at Duncan's.
Right. You guys had a blue Sunny as well.
Had a blue Sunny and had a blue Mazda 323 with SR20 in it as well.
Okay.
That I used to run a lower 12 seconds than me back then.
Seen.
Right.
All right. So you say you got the EP3, right? It was an EP3 Type R?
That's correct.
Okay. What your biggest accomplishment with the EP3?
Well, with EP3, it made the fastest all-motor Civic in Jamaica back in 2012. Either 2012 or 2011. At the time, we did a K24 swap and I was making like about 265 wheel horsepower to the ground. Right? And all-motor, I think that car ran 12 something, I'm not sure. But was the fastest all-motor, or still is the fastest all-motor Civic EP3.
Got you.
Right.
Okay. After the EP3, by the way, you still have that EP3?
Yes, it's still here with me.
Oh, all right, sir. Well, what was the next car? I can ask you what you had after. So what would be the next car to be a part of your collection?
Well, there was several other cars between the EP3, but I think you're talking about cars in terms of racing.
Yeah, man.
Came the FD2.
Okay.
Right, FD2 Type R.
Okay.
Which made it again the fastest all-motor FD2 back then, and still the fastest FD2 now.
Well, I don't know if you say that too, like it too slight, you know. I am sure that's one of the fastest in the world right now, all motor, one of.
Yes.
Right? You did any research to see what was the ranking like, whether it be, you know, third fastest or whatever?
You know, to be honest, no I didn't, but I have persons around me who normally fill me with those information. You know, because during my time, you know, everybody always said, Bally, the car too big, the car too heavy, it's not going to go nowhere, you're wasting money. Right? I ever got donated a CRX shell for me to put my engine in. They came and dropped it off and said, yo, put the engine in that. And I was like, no, that's not me. You know what I'm saying?
Well, let me ask you this. The FD2 is a I would say pretty much new car. Why you chose the FD2 as a chassis when you could go to a EG or a CRX, you know?
Right. So my idea behind cars is probably different than other people, right? So if I'm going to buy a sport car and decide that, listen, this is one more I use to make some speed, it goes to the track, right? So I have never had the urge or the feel to even do a K-swap for a chassis to race it. Now, the FD2, it wasn't intended to be all a flow race car. It was supposed to be a car that I can bring to the track, drive home. But what started to happen is that I started to damage the parts on the road and not the track. Right? And when I reach out to the manufacturers for these parts, I said, listen, these are designed for track purpose only. So it doesn't make sense to have a PPG box driving up and down in traffic and slamming it all about the place.
Yeah.
Because it's very expensive. Right. And again, driving a machine like that on the road, it's no fun anymore. Every gear is like ice or snow.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So it takes away all the fun out of it. The response is very aggressive.
But as is,
Alright.
but your car as is right now, is it still a street car? Is it still able, license, insured, can drive on the street?
License and insurance, can drive on the street, just have to make a lot of stop because you only have a 2 gallon fuel cell.
See it.
But
See,
I do drive it. I do drive it on the streets. I do
see,
drive it to work when I'm bored.
yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, okay. All right.
Once I can get fuel and get charged, I'm good to go.
Got you.
Because I don't have an alternator.
Okay, okay. So you're around the 16 volt.
That's right.
Okay, okay. Let us talk a little bit more about the FD2. You mind just telling us some of the specs on this build?
Okay. Alright. So the current engine, right? And please make note that Bally change anything you feel like within hours. So if I tell you that this is what's in it now, and I'm morning I say I'm going to make an experiment, there will be something else in it, right?
Got you.
So currently it's a 2.4 liter, stop 4. Compression is about 13.1. The pistons are actually 12.5. The head has been decked and the block has been decked. Right? With the K series, it doesn't make sense I give you a PSI read in terms of compression, because the systems that we use will actually yield a low PSI. So if I should do a test on my engine, it's probably 250, 2 something. But that's not the real compression. Based on the charge can and the overlap, you won't get a true read. So I should put in some stock. Then you get a very high compression.
Got you.
Right? Run 7mm ITPs. Power is transferred to a PPG 1 to 4 box. Final drive shaft, axles. Everything is tightened up by ERP. Custom header. And depending on the Infinity ECU.
Which ECU?
Infinity.
Okay. Currently, I'm not sure if I said it earlier, but how much power is it that you're making now?
Power I'm making now?
Yeah.
I'm not sure about the power it's making now. It hasn't gone on the time.
Okay. All right. We are all on this quarantine, isolation, locking thing, right? Have you been doing any major upgrades?
Well, nothing major. The front bumper always been dropping off at the track, so I'm getting that fixed properly. Also trying to lose some weight from the chassis. But at the end, I'm going to add, because I'm thinking of install a cage since we have the time.
Yeah.
So it's going to make the car even a bit heavier.
Yeah.
Right? But safety come first.
True.
And basically just trying to finish up other projects that I'm doing.
All right. What, by the end of this year, considering, let's say we're lucky enough and can get in 3 meets before the year, 3 drag rivals, and of course, would have the King of Shores in December. But say we have 3 drag rivals, we can get in 3. Or where do you see yourself by the end of the year? Or what do you hope to accomplish? Let me say that.
Well, what I hope to accomplish, my son, but I really want the tail of that crocodile.
Yeah?
That's what I hope to accomplish. Whatever class he is in.
So that sound, alright. Is that to say that the crocodile is your biggest rival?
Yeah, man. Crocodile is my biggest rival.
I never know this. So hold on. So that race.
A lot of people probably don't know it.
But I can recall you and the crocodile lining up.
It's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling for you to leave the line. Somebody run you down, look at you, and shake him head. and
I'm past
don't
here.
actually win the race. Not a good feeling.
All right, sir. So, Mr. Crocodile,
Big up yourself.
yeah, man. I have to pick up Robert, you know.
Yeah, man.
Somebody asked in the chat room a while ago, how many cars are a part of Team Bally?
Honestly, I never do a check of that, you know, but there's a lot of, and a lot of them choose to stay silent killers.
Mm-hmm.
But on the pump, I would say about 7.
Okay. 7. All right. You said earlier that any class the Crocodile is in, that's where you're going.
That's where I want to go.
That's where you want to go. Okay. Because the last time I saw Robert down by Jamus, he was saying to me that, boy, you know, he might put in some work. Kenty, all right. So Kenty is asking a question in the group. Kenty, what this question go now? Bally, you Blue still have beef?
Blue have beef with himself, you know?
All right, simple put.
And he's not in my class, so I don't know what kind of beef him have. I mean, probably if he want one of the coil pack and we have a race, fine.
All right, Bally. I think you answered that well. All right. Back to what we were saying now. And if anybody else have any question, you can post it in the comments. We still have a few more minutes left with Mr. Barnett. All right. So Bally, as you say, your motor is a K20. 24. Okay. Why is it that you chose to go all motor versus boost or nitrous?
Alright. So nitrous is definitely a no-no. I don't have anything to do with nitrous. I don't even like installing it. It just make it too easy.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And from days and days and the only pop pull up with a turbocharged vehicle and the temperatures. I really don't like that either. The all motor is more forgiving and you use less power to run the time. Because currently in the 10-second class, all of the cars that's in the 10-second class basically double my power. As a matter of fact, I don't think my power reached their torque. You know? So when you look on Roland and Doc, 800, 900, 1200 horsepower, and you got a 380 and a Toyota 310 horsepower giving you trouble. That's still almost all day.
Yeah. Somebody asked a while ago, I think it's lifestyle settings, if you have any plans of increasing the displacement.
I am thinking about it. I haven't made my mind up yet, but if I do, probably done overnight. So I don't know yet.
Kenty.
The 99 tends to get the job done.
Yeah.
So any increase of displacement is a bit more like boring to a bigger bore.
Okay. Let me ask you this. As a racer, we all have challenges. What's the biggest challenge you face so far with the FD2, getting it ready for race?
Well, time is the biggest challenge. It's hard to work on the FD2, to be honest. There's other projects that actually buy the parts for the FD2. So as soon as I get free, I'm mostly focused on other projects. So the FD2 is out left until 2 days before race.
Yeah. 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 All right. I hear Toda saying earlier that he would love, and personally, I would love to see an all-motor shootout. There's Kenty as well. There's yourself, O'Neill, Toda, who are actively racing now in that 9-second, 10-second bracket. I know Toda never make a call out still, but who do you think would come out on top if those 4 cars were to have a shootout, best of the best, you know?
I think the V6 will be at the back.
The V6 will be at the back.
Yeah.
Wow. But the car that has 2 more cylinders, the only car in the mix with 2 more cylinders will be at the back. Boy, oh boy.
Yeah.
All right, fine. That's your prediction. Who would be first? Well, who would be third? Let's take it from that angle. Who would be third?
You see, the problem is Todd, Kenty, and myself. We're I don't even know what to describe myself as. So I really don't know. Because Kenty has his plans, Todd has his plans.
Yeah.
And sure they have my plans as well.
So we just have to wait and see.
We just have to wait.
Yo, man,
but
tell
we
you.
will give them a fight for sure.
Definitely.
And the disadvantage is that whatever Todd and Kenty make, I have to make a little bit more because of the weight.
Right, you have to compensate.
Right.
Definitely. All right.
Both in chassis body weight.
Yeah. How much? Yeah, have you weighed your car of late?
Car weighed 2,550 with drive.
Wow. But seriously though, Bally, seriously, do you think that if you put that setup in a lighter chassis, it would make your hunt, well, not that your hunting speed per se, but wouldn't it make it a little bit easier on your part?
Most definitely would make it a little bit easier, but as I'm saying is that when you go to the track, there's a lot of EK, EG with K24 swap, all different swaps.
Mm-hmm.
And people would have to come Jamaica to see the FD2 running those times.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So why fall back to an EG, EK just to say, okay, I went run a 9-second pass?
Mm-hmm.
But everybody know that it has the potential with that engine to run a 9-second.
Mm-hmm. 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 Well,
if when December or whenever come,
yeah,
I beat up Kenty and Toda with that big chassis.
Wow. That now go look good enough, cause as Bossy D would have said, step in a net back business that it now go look good enough, cause you know, yeah. But you know, I would really love to see an all-motor showdown. You know, if it's even just some grudge matches, but it should be pretty interesting.
I think there was a call-out between the K series and the B series, all-motor.
Oh yeah?
But I'm not sure where that is, and I think the B series were even allowed to run nitrous against the all-motor games.
Wow.
So,
but
Corona give us a break against everybody.
All right, I would have loved to see that. Now for the B series man them, cause a couple of them in the chat room, would you allow them to run nitrous? Wouldn't it be? It would have come in like you're the man a race, and you say to him, "Sorry, me gear jumps."
The thing about it, you know, when I present myself to race at the track, I really don't care what the other person have in his car.
See.
I'm not the type you see walking around and trying to find out what cam you run, what compression and that. If the car run a good time, it does run a good time.
See it.
So if they want to use nitrous as their power adder to get the time done, that's their choice.
See it.
You know?
See it.
Because I've been blamed, I've been told that I'm running nitrous from 2013.
Mm-hmm.
And it left from nitrous to nitromethane. I don't even know what that fuel smells like.
See it. So I think that alone will answer a lot of the questions out there, because Kenty same just black here. All right. No, that statement alone, Kenty. Yo, Kenty. All right, Kenty. Hold on, Kenty cause be a trouble in a Bally. All right. Invisible specs. Invisible Zex kits custom.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know, give you a joke. You know how specs and I become friends?
Mm-hmm.
I was at the diner tuning my cars. And was fighting to make like about 275. I was like, this car parked long, so probably the gas dead. And just come out of nowhere. I said, listen, me buy the gas in my container and pour it in the tank myself.
Mm-hmm.
Which he did. And the first pull the car made $2.99. And he walk away and he said, I really pump gas in my use.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So my street car, them travel like 310, 320 and pump 98 octane.
Same. Well, all right. Can you just mention that you are tuning a car? For your personal car, your race car, who's the builder and tuner?
Builder, Bally, tuner, Bally. Well, there's a lot of persons who help me out with stuff where I reach a roadblock.
Mm-hmm.
And Kenty, Toda, Specs, Chungy, anybody I feel like called Porter.
Yeah.
And everybody talk.
Same.
Right? So I'm not afraid to call somebody and say, yo, how this work or what you think about this.
Ramlal is asking, say, what happened to mental? In terms of what, Ramlal? All right. So meanwhile, Kenty is asking what you mean. Everybody is asking what happened to Alex Innis.
I think you probably need a live with Alex himself, because I don't know why they like Alex that much. That won't take away the opportunity because Alex talk about his car and his strength.
Zid.
But one thing to note, Alex is still running stock every.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. I'm gonna say mental should I keep the 11. Okay, Ramlal. All right. Last question from Ramlal. Why mental car slow?
It's a stock V20. What do you?
But isn't slow relative, Bally?
Yeah, it's running 13. It's running pretty good for what it is.
All right.
I mean, when I did mental was I-15 second class. Spartek and them used to beat him left, right, and center.
Mm-hmm.
Put work, and one Sunday we drive down there and beat up back everybody. And ever since, them just want me down.
Straight. And
Right.
and I'm sure there are plans of even taking mental, bringing him faster, bringing him down in the time.
Yeah, man, mental will be faster.
All right, sir. All right, sir. All right, so we will take one last question because we're almost at the 10 o'clock. But yeah, Bally, I must say, I would love to one of them days when the corona thing kind of pass and thing one of them day when you're not so busy, which me know you're always busy, but would I love to come through, do a little more in-depth feature on the machine, because I'm a person like this. As a Jamaican, I am very patriotic. I love my country and I love what I do. I like to see my fellow Jamaicans doing awesome things on the automotive scene, you know what I mean? And I don't think we should miss the opportunity to highlight what you did and the time you're on, because I was saying to Kenty the other day that I saw a post, and Kenty, you can remind me, there was a car down in Trinidad. I think them they like what 11 point something all motor, and the man they must celebrate. The man they must celebrate in the valley. I mean, I say, wow, right? We are here in Jamaica, little Jamaica, yeah, and we are doing some awesome things. You know what I mean? So, Kenty, I said, congrats, and I'm sure that's a lot of person in the chat room. They share the same sentiment, the same reasoning. You know what I mean? So, big up again, Bally. I'm really looking forward to see that machine the next meet out, because that car, every meet it come, since I would say what, since last year you make some strides. The car has been more consistent and shaving off the time significantly. You know?
Right, that's true.
Yeah, man. So really looking forward to your next outing. Just hope that you know, it's sometime before the summer.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it as well.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Toda, I said big up for the 10.6. Boost Works, as a big accomplishment. Yeah, the man they must say, oh, you know, big up. Every live this Rasta comes in thumbs up. All right. So, in closing, Bally, any closing remark anybody want big up?
Well, trust me, I have a long list to big up. Let me start and hope I get most, if not everybody. So I big up everybody, all of the team them, right? I big up Specs, Chungy. Chungy has been helping me out from way back, right? Crossgill apart from UTech. Soji, on a year shop we always talk about D and the K, right? Right, big up Jones Performance, RJD Performance, Venom, Andrew Dyer, Niche Performance, right? Catching All Auto, Dre's Auto, Toda, Kenty, Mr. Ellis, Jordan Ellis, big up yourself. You next to come down at them time.
Yeah, man. Right? Yeah, man.
Ian Mendes, very good driver. Give him a major big up. Spartak Racing. But just pick up everybody, Little Tea, Milk.
Everybody.
Everybody, big up on yourself. Lizard, you know, large. And a special big up to Porter, Max XP.
Yeah.
And you have other teams in Montego Bay, what you soon hear about. Virgo, Steve from Macatty Street, who normally tell the beast them way back. Pick up on yourself. Policeman Andrew called me out from ever since. Soon get a back. Part of the team them that big up on yourself. Big up Kimmy with the bad SR Nissan.
Yeah, man, outer Ross built. Big up.
Yeah, man, big up, man.
Yeah.
Ship. As much as we don't like each other, big up and roll on. Big up everybody. You know?
Yeah, man, Biggie B upon the live, I say.
Sport, them do the wiring on my car. Big up yourself.
Repeat that for me, Bally. Who?
Conversion Motorsport.
Okay.
Nila, known as the Mega Spirit King.
See it.
Yeah, man.
See it.
Up himself. Him make a custom look for my car.
See it. Jardine, say if you not big up Blue.
Blue get him big up anyway, man. Blue not big up special big up. Remember Blue always around the back, so.
Yo, I tell you. Yeah, man.
A new kid on the block, rap tune. People don't hear about that one.
Yeah. Are they the team with the yellow starlet?
No.
Okay.
Rag tune is actually a Honda these years.
Oh. Okay.
And there's a guy out of coach that started tuning thing as well. I'm not picking up his name right now, but I'm watching the live, big up. Right.
See.
So, just want big everybody who support Bally and out of Porter can be a Ricky. I mean, Ricky called me as the Bally wife. But when Ricky called me, it sounded like a scar, to be honest. Why the car dirty and mean? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Take racing. Him bring everything back to life. Big up yourself. Or cut your short still. But big up all of the massive them, man.
Yeah, man.
Xavier, big ups. Everybody big ups.
Yeah, man. Straight. All right, Sir Bally. I think we're almost at the end now. Oh, yeah, sir, man.
Yeah, big up the 876th Street. No.
You don't know, man.
First time I do something for 876th Street, I mean, Andrew drive and come at the garage and say, yo, this year I try this 876th Street, I'm going to do a video right now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I have to big up Andrew, you know? Yeah, man, I have to big up Andrew. You know, see it. Yeah, man. I have to say, you know, we're here for the long haul. We just need the support from the automotive community. You know, persons to keep supporting 876th Street so that we can continue to, you know, play our part. You understand? Yeah, man. That's all I want. Just to be here and to can continue bringing the best of Jamaica to the world. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And one last thing before we go, Bally. Persons who may need because you have a dyno, right?
That's right. Right.
All right. So persons who, you know, wherever you are in Jamaica, you know, just know that there's a dyno. Well, there's at least two on the western side of the island. So you can definitely give Bally a link up. Biggie B, I say big up. Ken Star, Crazy J. All the people in the chat room, I say big up.
Boy, forgive me if I don't call your name, but big up.
Yeah, man. It's almost impossible. It's almost impossible to big up everybody, Bally. So I'm sure they understand.
Yeah, man.
All right. So one love, everybody. Thanks again, Bally, for, you know, making the time. And keep safe, everybody. And stay tuned for another edition tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be going live with Junior Barnes, who is the chairman of the Jamaica Race Drivers Club. They're in charge of Dover. And I believe we may be going live with Mr. Stephen Gunter as well. That is not confirmed as yet, but if all goes well, tomorrow we'll be having Mr. Gunter, who is the chairman of the JMMC, to hear what the JMMC has, any additional information they have can give the motor racing community, right? So stay tuned, and remember these videos will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, 876 Streets on YouTube, and you'll see all the previous interviews. All right. Yeah, you don't know. One love, everybody. I'm hoping tomorrow we don't have any issue with this Instagram live, because it kind of rough is stand up with a phone for 2 hours. So you don't know. Bally, one love, all the best, my brother. I will be in touch.
Keep safe, everybody.
Everybody.
Yep. A new hobby, cooking.
Bless up.
Yeah,
Cool. Respect.
Money that I don't accept.